Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna make a tutorial on a Python program in order to create a check-in and check-out registration interface for any customer in a hotel. Okay, so let's get directly into the code. I'm gonna do it in Notepad and then put it in Visual Studio Code later on so that you guys understand the code better. So let's start the code. First we're gonna start with importing date time, of course, because we need the check-in check-out time, and then we're going to import math functions because we need those as well. Then I'm going to make a function prompt min val none max val none while true try v int input prompt. This function is basically to check that if the check-in time is before the checkout time, because if it's not, then it's going to give an error. Okay, because that is not possible. So this function has the sole purpose of checking if check-in time is before the checkout time. So I'm going to put all the necessary lines, and then I'm going to return a value error of please enter a valid integer. Then I'm going to make another function where I'm going to input the date time format using the percentage keys. You can put any other format, but this is the classic one, and I'm going to input this. Then after this function is done, I'm going to make another function for checkout time. The last one was for check-in time. This is basically copy paste, same thing. Now I'm going to print some simple hotel registration details, basic details, single room, double room, whatever you want to print for the customer. Then base price 0 and everything, because that is the minimum price, of course. Then we put conditions like if adults is more than equal to 2, child is more than equal to 1, then single bed, and accordingly multiple options. And if the group is larger than all of these, then we get another like multiple room options which you can choose from. Then we put the base price for them as well. And then if adults are beyond 9, then we charge extra for each adult. You can put any conditions you like. I'm just putting my own conditions. Then AC and non-AC, I'm going to put for AC room 700 extra. If ground floor, no charge. If first floor, I have to pay 400 extra. If second floor, I have to pay 800 extra. So in this way I can choose how much I want to spend in a hotel in basis of my luxury, just like in a real case scenario. The main part of this segment was the date time part, so I hope you guys understood that well. You can just pause the video and check the lines out there, the code lines, and if you have any doubt, you can tell me in the comment section. So once you input the date time function properly, the check-in and check-out time, then everything gets smoother. Then I'm gonna print the date time details for the customer. So I'm gonna print enter check-in and then put the format he's gonna enter in. Then I'm gonna enter checkout and put the format he's gonna enter in. And then I'm gonna write checkout must be after check-in, of course. And then if base night is less than 1, then base night is 1, because minimum number of nights you have to pay for is 1, of course. If checkout time is more than 12, then we have to pay half of the money of an extra night. And if it's after 6, then we're gonna have to pay full day extra of an extra night. I'm gonna put these conditions based on like whatever I want, you can put according to you. And now I'm gonna calculate the total bill. You can see in nights total, I calculated the 1 day bill and multiply it by number of nights we are staying. And then in the final bill, we add them with the additional charges like the AC and floor and everything. So after all of this is done, I'm getting the final bill. I'm gonna print the bill format quickly, line by line. You can print in whatever format you like, but I'm putting in the basic one. You can just copy paste this as well. So once you get the whole bill, you can separate each of these and then print the check-in time, check-out time using the strf time code function, I mean, for both check-in and check-out. And then if you want to register another customer, you can put an option yn, that if they have another person, then they can put like input y and then repeat the whole process again for the new customer. So at last I'm going to write thank you and then exiting, and then I'm going to break the code. So this was our whole hotel code. It was pretty easy. I did it under 5 minutes, so can you. just copy paste the parts which are crucial, like the date time part and the strip time date time format parts, which are the main things which are going to matter in the code or give an error. So once you're done with the code, you can just pause and check the lines. You can now, I hope you understood the code properly, all of the lines. So now I'm gonna just copy this whole code from here and then right click and then copy. Okay, let's scroll to the top, copy, yes. And now I'm gonna jump to Visual Studio Code. I'm gonna make a new file, hotel code dot py, and then I'm gonna print the code we copied. There you go, you have the whole code, and I'm gonna run it. So we run it, and then here you go, you have your hotel registration interface with the room options. Now I'm gonna enter number of adults. Let's put 9. Okay, let's put 5. 9 is the max, right? Yeah. Number of children 4. See, the group is larger than the 3 options, so we get this option. I'm gonna choose the second option because it has a double room option, and you guys will understand the bill better. I'm gonna choose AC for the AC options, and then I'm gonna choose second floor, which is the third option for the floor options. Now I'm gonna put the check-in time. You have to put in this exact format you are seeing in this bracket that we put in the code, otherwise it's gonna give an error. So I'm gonna put date, then a dash, then month, then a dash, then year, then a space, then hour, colon, minutes. Okay. And then we're gonna press enter and then put similar for checkout time. I'm gonna put 18th, and time I will put 6:30, so that I have to pay another extra night because it is after 6. So we have to pay a total of 16, 17, 18, 3 nights. So here you have your final bill. You can see that all the segments are divided properly, and you have your check-in time, checkout time, all of it properly printed, and you get the final bill down there. And if you want to register another customer, you can just put Y, but I'm gonna put no. So this is our whole code. I hope you understood all the lines, and if you have any doubt regarding any part or any segment of the program, you can let me know in the comment section and I'm gonna reply to you. And if you have any new code requests which you are having a trouble with or you want a tutorial for, you can let me know and I'm gonna make a new video on that program as well. So that was for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to drop a like and a subscribe. I'll meet you on the next one.